Hey everybody, you're on the GeekBox YouTube channel. Today I will tell you how to reconnect a Roku remote. Let's go. First way, use Roku virtual remote. Open Settings. Remotes. Select Remote Type. Follow the on-screen instructions. If the remote control doesn't respond, replace the batteries. Second way, remove the batteries from the remote control. Disconnect the TV or Roku device from the power supply for 5 seconds. Connect the Roku to the power supply. Insert the batteries into the remote control. When the Roku label appears, pair the remote control. Hold down the parent button for 5 seconds. If you don't have a parent button, hold down the home button and return for 5 seconds. That's it. Now you know how to reconnect a Roku remote. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to the channel. Good luck and see you soon.